lifetime of care. Now, David is able to keep the home he thought he might lose. And his family? Now they have hope for the future. If you've been seriously injured, call Bowler and Vaughn today. 268-0268.
Last week I was worried that my son's sore throat was strep throat, so we stopped by a Take Care clinic at Walgreens. The nurse practitioner really took the time to listen and understand his symptoms. I walked out reassured, knowing exactly how to take care of Sam. She did more than just make him feel better. She made me feel better.
Take Care Clinic is healthcare that's all about you. Right now, we're offering the H1N1 vaccine for just $18. Take Care Clinic, we can take care of that.
Times are tough. Do you need extra cash? Let us help. University Coin and Jewelry is buying gold, silver, diamonds, coins, sterling flatware, and much more. And we pay more than the TV buyers, the motel buyers, other coin dealers in Wisconsin, and even more than we paid just 3 months ago. So there's no need to package and ship your valuable gold coins and jewelry. Simply bring them to University Coin and Jewelry on University Avenue in Middleton. Same location, 23 years. University Coin and Jewelry.
Maximize your digital SLR with the Tamron 18-270 VC at the Camera Company. With a 15x zoom, the Tamron 18-270 VC is the all-in-one zoom lens. And vibration compensation means no more blurry handheld photos. Plus, you'll shoot amazing low-light and macro photos too. Check out the Tamron 18-270 VC at the Camera Company, and you'll be changing the way you shoot, not your lenses. Buy now and get a $50 mail-in rebate at the Camera Company.
Last time, Billy Ray Cyrus talked about his son's band.
He's covered in tattoos. Did he fall asleep on the newspaper?
Now hear about the future of Miley and Hannah Montana, plus True Jackson's Keke Palmer. Monday on Bonnie.
Welcome back, folks. Our first guest parlayed her career as a world-famous supermodel into a Hollywood movie star with roles as little like What Lies Beneath and Pitch. Her newest film is called The Spy Next Door. Please welcome Amber Valletta. Very exciting. You've had quite a career. Now, you know, what's the percentage of models that can really go into
A lot of people in Hollywood came from the modeling world.
Well,
they might not even you. But you know, a lot of Annie McDowell, Cameron Diaz modeled. I mean, Brad Pitt modeled. I mean, waitressing model. There's.
I mean, now there's a little more information with America's Top Model. Do you ever watch that show?
No.
You don't?
I don't have a TV.
Oh, you don't? Hey, you don't have a TV because you don't want your son growing up with all the television, right?
That's pretty much most of the reason, but also because it's so nice and quiet in our house, and I love it. Besides the 3 dogs and my son, it's just really peaceful.
It's nice. So does he watch like DVDs? Do educational stuff like that?
Yes, we do DVDs, and we go to the theater, and we go to movies, and so he knows what's going on in the world, pretty much. He kind of thinks I'm a bit of, I'm a bit strict, but yeah, he knows what's going on.
Well, don't you think all kids think their parents are a little bit strict?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So before all this happened, can you remember your first audition for an acting role where you had?
Yes. My first audition was for a film. It was for a film called Butterfly Effect, which I think they ended up making with Ashton Kutcher.
Right.
Okay, well, I auditioned with a guy named Wes Bentley, who's in American Beauty. And for the audition, there were 2 scenes. And in the movie flashes forward and backwards, kind of. So I had 2 scenes. One was when I was kind of supposed to be down and out. So I had like a mini skirt on and dark eye makeup and like a ripped up shirt. And I was crawling across the floor and crying. It was very dramatic.
So you did all that?
I did all that in the audition. Fine. And then I pardoned myself, and I said, excuse me, I need to go change for the second scene. You being an actress, you don't really do that. Like, you stay in the room, and you usually sit still. and I went and changed, did a hair and makeup change, and came back and did the second scene. Yeah, so.
I did that once too, where it was called for a pregnant girl, and I stuffed the dress and everything and went in, and I remember walking through the whole studio lot and going to the audition, everybody was just normal, and I was like, oh, no.
Yeah, I've been known to do things like that. I've made a fool of myself, I'm sure, many, many times in auditions.
How was it working with you?
It's great. He's amazing. He's so funny, so.
You guys.
Aww. He's so gracious. I think I gave him his first on-screen kiss, is what I've been
You're a
told.
love interest? Well, I'm not shocked that you're a love interest. I didn't think that he ends up getting the girl or something.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Well, I can't say